channel. Today I'm showing you how to make the easiest Christmas wreath. I used everything that I had left over from decorating our Christmas tree. It's so much fun, so easy. You can hang it up inside or outside. The items you'll be needing to make this wreath are a floral foam wreath that is 16 inches. You can do bigger or smaller. Ribbon. Ball ornaments, hot glue gun sticks, sewing pins or needles, fairy lights, scissors, and a pencil or pen. What you're going to do first is take one of your pieces of ribbon and you are going to wrap it around the top part and then just tie a knot at the top. You are going to use this ribbon to hang the wreath. If you were to do this after, it would kind of pull on the bulb ornaments that we are going to hot glue on. Just makes it easier. Make sure that that ribbon does not fall off, that it doesn't pull any of the ball ornaments that we are going to attach. First, we're going to go in with some mesh ribbon. You can skip this step. I just like it in case some of the foam is not completely covered with the ball ornaments. I also like it because I like to bunch it up a little bit, and then it also shows kind of like a weaving pattern in the back and the middle of the wreath. Next is the easiest thing ever. This does take a while though if you have a big wreath because you're going to be adding a bunch of ball ornaments. But what you do is you just place the ball ornaments all around that foam wreath. What I like to do to really help it stick and stay is I will poke a hole with a pen or pencil wherever I want that ball ornament to go. Kind of deepen it in there because this foam is super hard and dense. It's not soft and easy to poke with the ornaments. Once I've filled it in, I kind of look around, see if there's spots that I've missed, fill in a few more ball ornaments. After I filled in spots that I missed, I went in with some smaller ball ornaments. And I covered areas where you could see the glue or spots that just look sparse. I really like these small ones because they cover a lot of things that you don't want seen, such as the foam wreath or glue showing through or just empty spots. After I have the wreath the way that I want it with the ball ornaments, I went in with a bow ribbon. I used two different types of ribbons. I really like this gingham and the hot pink, and I cut them. I cut the pink a little bit shorter than the gingham, and I cut them at an angle, and I just put them together. And I put that pink ribbon in the middle of the black and white gingham just to make sure they're even. And I did make that pink ribbon a little bit shorter than the gingham, so it's a little shorter on each side. And what I did is I put those two together, I wrapped it around the ribbon that we are using to hang with, and I just tied a knot around that, and then I tied a bow. And I just did a simple bow where you create a loop and then you tie the other side of the ribbon around and then create another loop. So pretty much like tying a tennis shoe. I did space those out, spread them out, just make them look full. Especially if you have a wired ribbon, you can really make them look full. After I was done, I left the tails hang pretty long and I cut them at an angle. Again, make sure you really fluff those loops in the bow, spread them out. Once I had the bow the way that I liked it, I went in with some fairy lights. I do think regular Christmas lights that are battery operated would look better. However, I didn't have those. I had some of these on hand. And there you have a super easy Christmas wreath. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish